Hello! Welcome back to Kulturschöpfer YouTube channel and welcome to Creative Sessions for Kids and Adults. In today's session, we are going to recreate a masterpiece from Yves Klein using the amazing technique of tie-dye. I thought that it was a really great idea to try to be creative and different doing a tie-dye session instead of painting on a paper or on a wall like you used to do Yves Klein. So yeah, are you ready to do this creative session with me and get a little bit messy doing some tie-dye on white clothes? Yes? Let's do it! For today's creative session, we will need some tablecloth to protect our working area, plastic bags to protect even more, gloves, water bottles, or if you have like ketchup, mayonnaise bottles, it will perfectly work, but it has to be clean. Tie-dye product. I chose blue color. We'll need some clothes to tie-dye in white. And some plastic rubbers or scrunchies, I don't know. Yeah. Step 1. Put your favorite playlist and enjoy the process. Step 2. Protect your working area. Always, because this creative session is going to get really messy. And for example, me, I put this plastic bag in the other side because while I will do the tie-dye and I will have it here and then it will not go anywhere, the ink just inside of the box of the bag, sorry. And when I will be done, what I will do is just having here the tie-dye clothes, turning it around and closing them inside of the bag. So I think it's somehow useful. And yeah, if you have any plastic bags at home that you think that they can have one more purpose, just use them. Step 3, wet your clothes a little bit and then dry them with a towel a little bit so it will be easier for the ink to go inside. Alrighty? Step 4 is the time to put here your clothes and start the scrunching method or doing the pinch in the center to do a star. So yeah, let's start with the t-shirt. I already wet it a little bit. So here we go. And I really think that I'm going to do the pinch method, that it's just you put your hands here in the middle and then you start twisting it like this. And then you just do, you see what I did? Like that. Spread it like this. And it has to, like, in the center will be like the star. And then you get the rubber and you put it in the middle. And you put another one like this. Just like really everywhere. Then one more. Oh, that one was broken. So this is where it's going to give it like shape and color. Alrighty. I think like this is going to be perfectly fine. So we have one done. Yeah. Okay. You see? With the trouser I'm going exactly to do the same, but I think I want to do 2 pinches in the booty because I want to have 2 spirals. But then the rest I'm going to do the crunchy method. Crunch method. They invent so many names for this kind of stuff, really. Like, they amuse me a lot. Okay, so like this. And then I'm going to put here one scrunchie. Okay. This, I hope it's enough. Right. Actually, I really don't know if it's going to work. I hope so. Because I think it's going to look really good if it works. When you will do your own one, just, you know, if you like to do the spiral, do the spiral. If you don't like the spiral, don't do it. Just do the one that you like more. I just do this because I think it would be cute to have in the pockets a pair of spirals. But again, I don't know if it will work, so we're in the same situation. So once this is done, then I'm going to do the scrunchy part here. So do the scrunchy. As I saw it, just doing this basically, and then just putting it maybe. Yeah, we'll do the scrunching, but following like the spiral. Yeah, that would look cute. Okay, this, and then here maybe already something like this. Step number 5, I'm so sorry, I had a tiny bit of a problem and the file that I did while I was tidying, it's deleted. So I'm going to explain to you anyways, don't you worry, because it's the easiest part of all. It's just you need to have your tie-dye prepared in your bottle or in your ketchup bottle. Remember that the water must be hot, but please always follow the instructions of your tie-dye ink. And then what you must do is just put your clothes with all the rubbers on top on the plastic bag. Imagine that here is full of tie-dye, and you just need to do like this, and with your hands do like that, so all the ink will be in. And if you have ink here in the back, again just do like this, and all the ink will go to the t-shirt or the trousers. Flip it and do exactly the same. So right now I just did it with one color because we are trying to do like an imitation of Yves Klein masterpiece. But if you want to do it in different colors, the funny thing of the spiral is that when you have the rubbers like in this way, you can do in each triangle, you can do a color, and you need to follow exactly the same for the other side. So once you are done and you're happy with your result, with the ink that you have on your clothes, you just need to put the hand inside of the bag like this and flip it over. Now you will have your clothes safe. So anything will be dirty because the ink is inside of the box, inside of the bag, with the clothes. You just put it like this and put it outside in your balcony or terrace. If you don't have a balcony or a terrace, don't you worry, just leave it in a safe place that it will not bother you, and you will need to follow the next step. So this is the step number 6, and it's the following process of putting your already done tie-dye clothes inside of the bags that we were using as a cover, and then leave the clothes like in a balcony or in the safe area and let them be there like for 6-10 hours. So I would recommend you to do this process or in the morning or in the afternoon, and if you do it in the afternoon, just leave them the whole night, and in the next day what we are going to do is the step number 7. That we will see it next. Step number 7 is the magic moment that you have been waiting for many hours. Yes, you need to get your clothes, put them out of the bags, and please feel like maybe very big, like, I don't know how to say it, like maybe a trash can or something that you have at home like this, that you can fill it with very cold water, and please rinse the clothes in the water. So it is a technique that you need to use because you need to continue rinsing them until the water runs clear. It's really important. And then you will need to clean the waters, yes. And then you will need to clean the clothes in the, well, you can do it by hand, or you can just put them in the washing machine, maximum 30 degrees, and yeah, try them and you will have them. So let's do this step. Let's see how they are. First, please put your gloves. Don't forget to do that. It is important because if you don't have your gloves, you will have ink in your fingers. And I've been having this nail blue for 1.5 days, and that's not good. So yeah, get the bag. And let's see how it looks. I'm really excited. Oh, wow, look at these, guys. It looks amazing, doesn't it? So now I need to clean it. Let's see how the trousers look. That's what scares me a little bit, but let's see. Alrighty. Wow, they look bomb. I mean, look at this. Yes. So now I'm going to rinse the clothes and let's see the results. Alrighty, so finally we have the results. I think they look really, really cool. These ones are the trousers. So you can see, maybe a bit better like this. They're really nice. There is tie-dye everywhere. And it looks pretty cool. So trousers, 100% approve. Really nice combination. Then the t-shirt, it looks really nice. As you can see here the spiral. So yeah, and done. Congratulations, you have finished one more creative sessions for kids and adults. I really hope that you enjoyed this creative session because I did. It was amazing. It was a new experience. So yeah, you have learned something new, something about Yves Klein, something about tie-dye. So if you really like it and enjoy it, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next creative sessions for kids and adults. Bye-bye! I wish you a lovely day.